Okay guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to send a friend request on Facebook. So let's dive into our Facebook. Click here and open your Facebook. When you open your Facebook, this is it. So this is where you're going to see a friend. Okay, to send a friend request, you can just search for anybody that you want to send a friend request. I'm going to search for someone random now. Okay, you can see these are the friends. I just click on one name, so I don't usually. This is it. Just click on it. As allowed in. Click on the person here, and this is it. Just click. You can see friends. Oh, we are friends already. We are friends already. So let me go and search for another person that I'm not a friend with. All right. Let's see. Sorry, I'm just looking for a name that I'm not a friend with already. Okay. So let's see. All right, you can see this one now. You can see this one. Oh, I have to stop this.